The 2025 Toyota Raize GR Sport is the ultimate fusion of sporty design, advanced technology, and dynamic performance. Whether you're a city driver or an adventure enthusiast, this subcompact SUV is built to impress. The exterior of the GR Sport Edition stands out with its aggressive front grille, blacked-out finish, signature LED headlights, and a sculpted bumper that enhances its bold, aerodynamic look. Moving to the side, the sleek black alloy wheels add to its commanding road presence. At the rear, the GR Sport badging, stylish LED taillights, and a sporty diffuser complete its high-performance aesthetic. Stepping inside, the interior is where comfort meets innovation. The cabin features premium materials including leather and suede trimmed seats with contrast stitching, a leather-wrapped steering wheel with the GR emblem, and a fully digital instrument cluster that enhances the modern driving experience. The 9-inch infotainment system supports Apple CarPlay and Android Auto, ensuring seamless connectivity, while the automatic climate control and ambient lighting add to the luxurious feel. Under the hood, the Toyota Raize GR Sport is powered by a 1L turbocharged engine, delivering 96 HP and 140 Nm of torque. It is paired with a CVT with paddle shifters for a more engaging drive. The tuned suspension enhances stability, making every ride smooth and responsive. Safety is a priority, with advanced features like adaptive cruise control, lane departure alert, blind spot monitoring, and rear cross-traffic alert, ensuring peace of mind on every journey. The 2025 Toyota Raize GR Sport is more than just a compact SUV. It's a statement of style, performance, and innovation. Whether navigating city streets or heading for a weekend getaway, this SUV is built to handle it all. What do you think of the new Raize GR Sport? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more exciting car reviews. See you in the next